Okay, this is where the UFO first appears in the clouds, then disappears, and then pops out again. So we'll have a look. This is probably the clearest image of it. So we can see there it pops up. There. And I get that frame. That one right there. There. Zoom in. That's the clearest image I got of the SkyTrain. We go over here. That's that image. You see? Grab that image. That's that image there. So there it is there. Blow that up. There we go. Reset. Make it a bit darker. There it is there. That's the SkyTrain there. A bit bigger. That's the clearest image I got of the video. From that there. We got that. So here's other images of it. You can see the gas. At 18 wheels, said there was a gas around it. Look at that. You can see the gas. It's around the UFO. There's that gas around the UFO. There's another picture, different frames. And if we look at the bottom one, it's got like these balls here, like these balls of light underneath. There was a couple that photographed the SkyTrain UFO in another video. I'll upload this later. And they reported they were looking at the SkyTrain UFO with binoculars, and they said they could see balls of light underneath the SkyTrain, or silver metallic balls, spheres, silver metallic spheres, or balls of light underneath it. So this might be that there in this video that we just captured. This might be the same thing. And here's a picture of SkyTrain from Florida. A clearer picture of SkyTrain from Florida. This is another video. I can I'll upload this next. This is from a different video. This is from the SkyTrain that was captured in Florida. That one's a lot clearer. But this, I think this photos are a lot clearer. This photo's got a lot more detail. Look at this. That one looks really good. We go along the video. It's when it disappears, and then it pops up over here. There. Right there. Here's where it pops up. Pops up again. You can see the gas, this gas around the UFO. You can see the gas moving around the UFO, and then the UFO takes off, disappears. And if you notice, my friend told me the sighting, the UFO stops for a second. The UFO stops for a second. So here it's traveling, and here it stops for one second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and then it shoots off again. You see that? The UFO stops. So it's flying here, stops there, 20, 21, 22, 23, and then at 24, 3-4 seconds, and then it takes off and disappears. It actually stops and hovers for 3-4 seconds. Now, if you'd like to support my channel, I like white elephant noodles. You can buy white elephant noodles from the link below in the comments. Melee. Where this sighting was, my friend rang me up on the phone when this happened on Discord. He called me on Discord as soon as this happened, and he told me to ask me to check the flight radar, because in this video, this here is an aeroplane. He said there was this tiny dot here is a tiny small propeller aeroplane following the UFO. He was saying this dot behind it. There was a dot behind it. I think it's this here is a small propeller aeroplane following the UFO, traveling east. So we go down to here. He was going to Minnesota from Iowa. There's Minnesota. He was 5 miles from the border of Iowa and Minnesota. He was going up Highway 35. This is Highway 35. Here's the border. So he was only 5 miles from the border. So he's about here. And there is no light aeroplane here traveling east. So we can check the time, 5th of June, 2024, 7:10 UTC. Use the time converter. 7 a.m., 5th of June is 2 a.m. Minnesota time, 5th of June. Check the video. 5th of June, 2:10 a.m. Minnesota time. So this is correct. He is here. He's traveling north. He's traveling north. He's right here, traveling north along 35. There is no light aeroplane traveling east. What is this light aeroplane following UFO? Like here we got China South Cargo. Here we got Amazon Air. There's nothing in here. We got a small Learjet traveling southwest, but that's 0 feet. That's on the runway. That hasn't even taken off. It's 0 feet. That's on the runway. The China Air is 31,000 feet. It's too high up. It's like right up there. You wouldn't even see it. So, we can hit play. Where is this light aeroplane? There should be a light aeroplane here traveling east. There is nothing. There's nothing here. Got a helicopter there. Air ambulance. There is nothing. Zoom out. There's no light aeroplane traveling east. I've had myself strange light aeroplanes following UFOs that I have seen. It's happened to me before. I think the only person that can fly with the transponder turned off is military. So maybe this was black ops military following the Skytrain UFO. I don't know why this light aeroplane hasn't got its transponder on to identify it. This could only be military. It may be nothing, or it may be something. From my experience, I've had many different light aeroplanes following doing strange things following UFOs. I saw a UFO 2 months ago fly straight over the top of me. I was like, oh, that hasn't got a trail. That's not a meteor. It's traveling too fast to be a meteor. 1 minute later, I heard an aeroplane. I'm looking up. Where's the aeroplane? Where's the aeroplane? I cannot see nothing, but I can hear a light propeller aeroplane. When the aeroplane got above me and over my house and past me a little bit, only then it turned on the flashing lights. And it was following the UFO directly, the same path. And I was like, why is that aeroplane only turning its lights on after it passes over me? You always have the lights on. I don't know, it might be nothing. Another time when I was at the Air Force Base at Richmond, I saw a UFO at 3 o'clock in the morning. A light aeroplane took off from the Air Force Base and flew towards the UFO. As this happened, the fighter jets have turned on their engines and are sitting idling on the runway at 3 o'clock in the morning. The Air Force light aeroplane flew to the UFO. The UFO disappeared. The light aeroplane, Air Force aeroplane, propeller aeroplane flew back and landed. And as soon as it landed, the fighter jets turned off their engine. Aviation fuel is expensive. You do not turn your fighter jet engines on at 3 o'clock in the morning and then just turn them off again. Those fighter jets were ready to go to intercept that UFO, but the UFO went away, so they didn't chase it. So they always use light aeroplanes with propellers to follow UFOs, the military, so they don't bring attention. Because if a fighter jet comes past, everyone's going to hear it and see the UFO. So they use little light aeroplanes with propellers, not make too much noise, to go to the UFO silently, not to draw attention. Change the color to enhance it so you can see the gas. 18 sightings on 18 wheels said there was a gas around it. And if you look here, you can see this gas moving around the Skytrain. See how the gas is moving around it? This UFO is the same UFO that my friend recorded with his color night vision camera, Skytrain UFO, back in 2021. I have a video of this with full description, professional artist drawing of his UFO sighting. I'll put the link in the comments below So you can see this is the same UFO that he saw in 2021 today or yesterday. 你好，我的中共朋友，我是 Gababase TV。如果你喜欢我的视频，你可以记住我，你可以借我买电池充电。谢谢你，我爱你。谢谢你的支持，给我买电池。嘿嘿，美丽，美丽，美丽，谢谢收看，谢谢收看。